OMG, what? Follow E. OMG, who? Follow E. OMG, yeah, follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Follow E. What's up? OMG, follow E. Gang, gang, gang. What's going on out there in YouTube world today, baby? Well, today, y'all, we are having a seafood boil with the Erika'S seafood dipping sauce all over the body of this evil. So this is gonna be really, really ugly, okay? It's really gonna be real ugly. Don't talk bad about me, okay? But however, I'm finna let it go down, okay? So let's thank the mothers, the fathers, aunties, uncles, anybody that's taking care of kids, providing for kids, doing things for kids. I tell you, I appreciate you and I adore you and I thank you so, so much for all you do. Okay, let's get our prayer on. Thank the Lord for this food that I'm about to receive. Let it be nourishing to my body and strengthen my health. In Jesus' name, amen. Put some respect on it, okay? Y'all. Oh, I just can't say that. Okay, let's just get busy. Y'all, where have I been, y'all? I've been celebrating my birthday. We got some, that's why I've been. So I missed y'all. I really do. Okay, we got some shrimp, some corn, some green lip mussels, king crab and regular crab and egg. We got it all. We just gonna get into it. We just gonna dive into this, okay? Y'all do not hold me responsible for how I look or anything, okay? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, I need a thumbnail. Okay. I guess I'm gonna use that. I'm not sure. But this is hot, y'all. This is real hot. Maybe I need to start with something else. I'll go with them right here. Got the lemons. Mm, 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 I ain't bringing the other stuff away. Mm, y'all, baby, this sauce is not your friend today. Let me get these napkins. Mm-mm. This is yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, y'all. We got regular crab, king crab somewhere down there. We got some crawfish up here too. Mm. 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 Yeah. Mm. Mm. I hate it when the legs break and you're trying to get up in here to get the rest of this deliciousness. Mm. Woo. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. Woo. Mm. Y'all, that was so good. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Baby. Ooh. I sauce on there. You gotta get it all. Get it all. Mm. Mm. Shit. Y'all, this is good. Ooh. I like it when you do that. And then you did all that for nothing. Because you wanted to dip it and squeeze it. Mm-hmm. I made this sauce good and perfect this time. Ooh. There we go with the shoulders. I think I need to bring this down lower when I'm doing this. Mm. Mm. It's time for a water break, baby. Woo! I was going in when the cup is back. Water, 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 water. Ooh. Now, what we want? We want this in leg. Do I need to lean back and relax or what? Am I just going to ham or whatever? I am killing my shoulder. know, y'all. I don't know if I'm be talking. I do have a little stuff to talk about. Mm, 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 mm. I need some more napkins. Baby, I'm here to tell you, this sauce today is perfect. See. Woo. Woo. That had a little kick there. Ooh, what I want next. Give me a little more water. Then we'll talk to y'all a little bit. Excuse me. I hope I got one more crawfish in here somewhere. Yeah. Ooh, one more, two more. They were so good. Oh, yes, 3. Anyway, so I had a little birthday party, you know. I enjoyed myself on my birthday. I got a collab coming. One of the YouTubers came. Miss Sincerely A. Lucy. We got a collab gonna come up real soon. Before this month out. I want y'all to check out her channel. What else? We had a great time though. We had champagne. We had we had so much food. We had my friend, he did grill some burgers. His little recipe, I'm gonna do that recipe. I'm gonna see my recipe better than his recipe. So I'm gonna hook mine up same way but different way. What else we had? We had pasta salad that was so delicious. Fixed by my friend Ebony. What else we had? We had jerk wings. Oh my gosh, we had potato salad, baked beans. I mean, we had so much food and sweets and stuff. I'm telling you, we did. I didn't record anything because I was running so far behind. We're getting the house together. and trying to get stuff done. So that's why I didn't record anything. Y'all. I should have kept on eating. Okay. So I just like, I had a great birthday. Okay. So we had the was it Funk Fest? And last night I left the house maybe about 10 some or whatever. And I went to the spot where I go hang out at Applebee's. So when I go in there, I'm sitting there talking. This guy, he just came from the concert or whatever, because it was No Limit Soldiers reunion tour or whatever. And I wanted to go so bad because I am such a No Limit fan. But, you know, I just thought, you know, the COVID, nah, I ain't gonna be able to do it. Okay. So I go to the Applebee's, and then I get to see and meet Fiend from No Limit Records. I was like, oh my gosh, you know, I totally fanned out. I'm telling y'all, I totally fanned out. When I tell you, I told him, man, you was like the top one that I enjoyed out of No Limit, because I love me some Fiend. I told him his CDs right now are in my car right now. I mean, like, I'm telling him, like, right now. We can go out here, you know I ain't lying. And so, I just told him, I said, man, I remember one song, and he thought it was going to be the popular songs. I said, no, we're not going to talk about the popular songs. I love them. That's a given. I said, but we're going to talk about the songs that don't make it to the radio. He started rolling laughing at me. So I had started saying some of his lyrics, and he started rapping it back with me. Everything, man, that was like the coolest thing, to like meet somebody that you really listen to, and you were able to tell them how they flow is and everything. I told him about 3 songs that I really love that didn't make it to the radio, but I just was like, dude, you can't, this is like once in a lifetime thing that you could really do that and then flow with him, and he allow you, you know, to do that. And I told him I was a YouTuber, gave him my cards, his friends, and everything. I had a wonderful time meeting him. I'm not gonna lie. Thing. Ba, ba, ba. I did. He was a good guy. For a celebrity. You know what I mean? Some people be acting stuck up. What else? What else? What else? Let me eat a little more. Now I'm gonna call it a little bit of wind. Man, I ain't never thought I would do that, be able to do that with an artist before. He and his friends were like, she is a real diehard fan. I'm like, really? I'm fanning out over the lyrics from other songs. I told him. He was like, dang, she know it too. Yes, I do. Remember, I'm going to eat my crawfish so they get cold, because they're not good cold. I want to be able to suck the head off of them dead crawfish. That's mystical. Mm. Mm. Ooh. Mm. That had a little kick in it. Oh. I ain't even get to the king crab. See him right here. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all. That water right there. Ooh. Anyway, y'all, I'm not gonna keep y'all. Y'all know I don't like to do no long mukbang videos. But I want y'all to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, comment down below. Comment down below. And come back following OMG. What? Follow E. OMG. Who? Follow E. OMG. Yeah, follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Peace.